Thank you. Good morning, everyone. And on behalf of my General Director, Elisabeth Clavry de Saint-Martin, I'm happy to take the opportunity to highlight some recent contributions we have at CIRAD on the 4,000 initiative. And for those who don't know, CIRAD is the French public research institution in charge of agriculture, food systems, One Health, forestry, animal sciences, but overseas. We don't work in France, or when it's in France, it's on the overseas regions. Otherwise, most our hundreds of scientists abroad work in something like 50 countries under the tropics. So with such a mandate, you understand why we are committed on 4,000 initiative since it's very early launching at COP21. So I will briefly mention 3 groups of recent contributions, one on conferences, one on data sharing, and one on policy briefs. So on conferences and seminars, we just organized 2 regional seminars, one in Côte d'Ivoire, the other one was in Cambodia. Both were clearly designed as contribution to put sustainable management of soils and its carbon in regional political agendas. So in Abidjan, it was the first seminar at this scale in West Africa, and we co-organized the seminar with the Ministry of Agriculture. In Cambodia, it was also co-organized with the Ministry of Agriculture. It was a regional conference called Tarassa 23, and with our partner, Swiss Contact. In these countries, the way CIRAD works is through projects. And those 2 conferences were supported by 2 projects, one called Asset and the other one called Terre for Sol. So now in terms of data, we just recently published a global panorama of the impacts of human activities on carbon soil. It was a very comprehensive study. And nowadays, this achievement now takes the next step through a recent European Horizon project called ORCASA, on which CIRAD is in charge of the development of a knowledge-sharing platform, and a demonstration is already online. And for all the matters I'll talk to you about now, I can give you the details later. Everything is on the internet at the moment. So lastly, as we do, we regularly publish policy briefs, but we just edited one with our research partners on healthy soils for low carbon food system. That was for COP28. And the second one was recently published, which is the report on a 4,000 study in overseas region, which is an up-to-date situation of carbon stock in these regions with a potential regional impact in Indian Ocean, Amazonia, and Caribbean countries. So as many others, these studies were co-managed on the ground with our colleagues, French colleagues from IRD and INRAE, whose representatives are in this room and will probably meet with you. And also a side event on this report in overseas regions is scheduled at COP21 on Friday, if you want to attend it. So from these examples, you can be assured that CIRAD researchers, with our partners in the countries, we are fully committed to sustain for the long-term involvement of 4,000 initiative. And please let me know if you require any more details. I thank you.